Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting essentials: student ID, birth date, and the exact school name. Once done, open the parent portal or registration form because that's where most PINs appear. If you lack portal access, call the administration desk. Give them the student ID and your relationship to the child. Make sure to confirm the district code and branch. These small details often determine which PIN range applies, and they speed up verification when staff assist you. You next access the official system, log into the parent portal or the national education site with your credentials. Once inside, search for the school by district code or full official name and inspect the school record for a PIN field. If the PIN is masked, use the built-in Request PIN option, which sends it to a verified email or SMS. If that fails, escalate immediately to the registrar through the portal's secure messaging, so you maintain an audit trail of the request. To finish, retrieve the PIN from the portal message, official email, or printed letter and verify it by logging into the school service that requires it. Once you confirm access, update any weak passwords and store the PIN securely. Consider an encrypted note. If the PIN is rejected or your account is locked, contact the registrar, follow their identity verification steps, and request expected response time. This prevents repeated attempts that trigger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.